In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view GitHub commits. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started with version control, understanding how to track changes in your code repository is crucial. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to GitHub's official website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in github.com. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with GitHub's familiar interface. Now, if you haven't already, click on the Sign In button located in the upper right corner of the page. It's important that you're logged into your account to access your repositories or any others where you have the necessary permissions. Follow the steps to enter your username and password, or go through the two-factor authentication process if it's enabled. With your credentials verified, you'll find yourself on the GitHub dashboard. This is the hub of your GitHub experience where you can manage your repositories, track your open issues, and more. From here, navigate to the specific repository you're interested in by clicking on the repository name. You can either find it through your list of repositories or search for it using the search bar at the top. Once inside the repository, you'll see several tabs near the top like Code, Issues, and Pull Requests. But our focus today is on the Commits tab. Go ahead and click on Commits. This tab is where all the magic happens. It gives you a chronological list of all the changes that have been made to the repository. Each entry is a commit, which represents a set of changes saved to the repository. Now you're at the heart of it. Here you can view the commit history of the repository. Each commit displays essential information such as the commit message, the author of the changes, and the date it was made. You will also notice each commit has a unique identifier, often referred to as the commit hash. This specific code helps in tracking and referencing particular commits when reverting changes or merging branches. That's it. You've successfully navigated through GitHub to the section where you can view and analyze commits. Understanding this commit history is invaluable as it helps in monitoring how a project evolves over time and facilitates collaboration with others by providing a clear record of what changes have been made and why. By following these steps, you now know how to keep an eye on all changes being committed to your GitHub repositories. Thanks for watching and happy coding.